Welcome back to another episode of VBuilds. So you know my bike is complete. Now is the time to answer the biggest question: how much it actually cost me. So the major expenses were the battery, controller and the motor, which cost me around 15 to 18,000, but you will be surprised to know that's only 30% of the cost and there is way more to it. So if any point of time you are confused or you don't understand anything, there are detailed videos available on the channel. You just need to go and check them out and I'm sure you'll understand everything. So let's go. Hope you enjoy the video. This right here is a spot welder, which is the first thing you need to start building the battery for your e-bike. Got my first weld. What I'm going to do is cut it like this. Okay, install a hinge here so that I can just flip it open from here. Safety first. Ta-da! So these are, as I said, lithium ion cells. These come in various configurations. This is the final structure of how the battery is going to look like. This is the nickel strip that I'll be using. So this paper is to keep the cells a bit apart and safe. Can be folded like this, exactly as I planned. Now we need to connect the BMS. Here's the charger that I got for my bike. This is a voltmeter kind of thing. It shows how much battery we have. So this out, it shows me how much battery is there. Battery is complete and now I can move on to connecting the motor and try to run it for the first time. So right here is our controller. This is CY Gold. Next is this is our throttle control, and right here is the motor.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get
So I'm so excited, it worked. So now we can move on to building the chassis for our bike. Let's deflate it. this motor, we are going to make some holes and put these spokes instead of the original these, because these are too thin and I'm scared they might not hold the weight of this. So that I'ma get and we need to widen these holes also so that we can fit this lock in there. And this is the drill bit size. Cool. One should be easy. This is how it looks pretty, but I'll be painting it later. Front wheel is ready and I'm so happy it worked out so well. And I'll start building the chassis. One side is perfect, the other one. So the things that we need to place in the tank are the battery, obviously, this and this. What is this? This is MCB fuse, if you want to say. Wow, it looks pretty though. Siempre hay que descubrir la manera de vivir. And just like that, I'm ready with the plan. I want to place this charging port right here on the tank, something like this. For that, I will need two metal pieces. So let's start with this DC converter. It goes like this, pretty easy. Next is the controller, which goes between these two, something like this. And then the two screws go. Next is the battery, the most important one. That goes in like that. Nice and smooth. Not so smooth though, but yeah.
Esta tierra tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto.
The battery is in, and that's it. Oh yeah, only the charging port is left.
Es el sueño el motor, son las metas a alcanzar. Siempre hay que descubrir manera de vivir. Este lugar, esta tierra, tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer.
I need to put this battery meter over here, and that's it. Nothing else. That will be complete.
Este lugar, esta tierra, tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer.
The battery is charging, and when we turn it on, it shows the voltage. Next, we are going to work on the chassis.
When you're lost on a moonless night, I'll be by your side, be your guiding light. Promise I won't be far behind, I will hold you tight. When it's cold outside, when you're lost on a moonless night, I'll be by your side, be your guiding light. Promise I won't be far behind, I will hold you tight.
Here it is. Now let's put it in the shockers.
When you're lost on a moonless night, I'll be by your side, be your guiding
So the basic structure of the bike is ready. It looks something like this. I will keep the bike to this level and then just cut it off here.
When you're lost on the moonlit night, I'll be by your side. Be your guiding light. Promise I won't be far behind. I will hold you tight. Let it go aside. When you're lost on the moonlit night, I'll be by your side. Be your guiding light. Let it go aside. When you're lost on the moonlit night, I'll be by your side. Be your guiding light. Promise I won't be far behind. I will hold you tight. Let it go aside. When you're lost on the moonlit night, I'll be by your side. Be your guiding light. Promise I won't be far behind. I will hold you tight. Let it go aside. Let it go aside.
Morning, it's a new day. Presenting. So guys, temporarily the frame is ready. I need to make the welds stronger. I will do it in a bit. But yeah, it's getting the profile and I'm loving it.
Let it go aside.
Need to make a hub, something like this, which can hold the frame like that. The plan is to make a hub using any of these.
But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights. I know. should know that I won't leave you, but I will guide you home.
The hub is ready. Oh, now I can connect the bikes.
But I will guide you home.
So the structure is ready, and let me show you one technique. This thread right here, this is what I used for the alignment. Look at the tires, they are pretty straight with each other, and I have made the final weld. So, and the lights out now.
Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know, but I will guide you home.
ले भाई लगा दे. One test run failed, so when I ran it, it was running fine, but then that joint, that hub is too weak, so it broke. I welded it again, but now this time I'll have to install one support this side as well, because the axle is too weak, it just bends.
Need a friend, no matter the distance. I will always be there. No more inhibition. You
रिवर्स कौन सी चाल लेकर हो रहे कोई भी ना चल रहा रिवर्स टू व्हीलर
अरे ना चलाए तो बिना चला आगे से चला
I chose battles always by yourself in the shadows. Yeah, you cry for.
So here is another support on the left side, and then I installed a temporary seat for myself for the test drive and flip the tire. That's about it, and it is ready. So let's go for a test drive.
You've been lost and alone in the city lights. I know, getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control.
डांट लिए
You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights. I know, but I will guide you home.
Yeah, before doing any of those, there are few mistakes or anomalies that I found in our previous test runs. That is that the front wheel is touching on the shockers on the side, which is dangerous for it, and there is no way to remove the rear tire. Let's say in case we need to change the tire or anything, there's no way to remove it. We just have to break the welding and stuff. So I have to fix these two first, and then we can move ahead with the rest of it.
Set the world on fire.
Take this out. This is what I'm going to use for temporary welding. This weld is complete here, so it will hold it in place, and I can proceed to cutting this. Can easily fit in here like that, and we are good to go.
Set the world on fire. We can set the world on. We can set the world on fire.
Front wheel, the power wheel is in the back, and the back wheel is in the front, so there it is now properly aligned. This was such a drag, man. My face is all black. So I'm going to install the brakes on the left side. First, the brake lever goes in just like that. Okay, then goes this thing, which I plan to restore later. We'll do it later. It goes, this also just slides in like that. Easy peasy. And just like that, the left side is complete. Here is the brake wire. Let's just quickly install this also. So this hook, it goes in here, like pull it out and just like that. There it goes. Pull it a bit more and just like that. So the brake wire is installed. Now at the back, this brake wire. The spring right there. And the last one, the screw, goes in like just like that quickly. The brakes are done for test. Right now the bike is free to move, and the brakes, now you see, it doesn't move. For the seat, I have these two shockers. Since we don't have shocker in the wheel, I just install the shockers on the seat so that it's a bit more comfortable. this is all we need to install it initially. Later we'll connect the bulbs and everything. So let's get to it first. These are the indicators. Let's try them.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Now we have installed the indicators, but this is what is going to bring them to life. This is a DC converter.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
So these are the switches that I'm going to use for all the lights. I have just cleaned it using diesel. So all of these will be common for all the switches, and these can go to the indicators or headlights or whatever is needed, horn, etc.
through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Here is the horn. Let's install this.
And on we'll go. On we'll go. Finding life.
So we have finished installing the DC converter and all the lights and horn. So let me show you how it looks. This is for dipper. The left indicator. The right indicator. This is for the headlight. This one I kept for running light. So see the white lights in front. These are the running lights. And blue lights in the back. That. And this is beast mode. We'll have the white lights and the red lights here. Right here is the horn, which is installed right there. I have this special switch which will go somewhere on the tank later. This is used for all the 4 indicators. Check this out. Beast mode with the indicators. In the back. And that's that. These are all the lights are ready, and I have covered this wiring. Rest of them I will do it later when I'll do the denting painting, because I might have to remove them all once again. Let's begin with stripping it apart, and from there we'll prime it and paint it and make it look beautiful. Let's go. This is the final layout, so I'll cut it in the metal plate now. One piece is ready, and let's start with the body filler now. This is what I got for 350 rupees. What is the company? SD Auto Coat, whatever. So this is how it looks. It was a bit tricky to apply at places like this. There are all corners. So I hope it gets better after sanding, and that's the next step. Check the viscosity. रुक जा, वो भी तो चाहिए. Stopwatch. आधा भर ले, आधा या 200 400 कर ले. हाँ ऑन तो करना पड़ेगा. ऊपर है. करते करते कोई चक्कर नहीं।
वो सस्ता ले आए, उस पर टेस्टिंग करके देंगे।
प्राइमरी है पूरा एंड टू एंड एक स्पीड में। हाँ So here the primer is done. Looks pretty smooth. Next let's work on the tank, rub it and do the primer. Let's go. Here is all the paint and here are the tanks. Look at how shiny they are. I want to keep it like this but then it will be all rusted soon. So now I'll put in fillers and then paint it just like that. already looking pretty. So here we are at the paint shop and they are mixing the paints that I requested. So it's not like a normal paint that you get on, you know, a normal shop. Let's go to the base coat. Yes, okay. This is the base coat. This is the primer. Let's mix. The primer has dried for 1 hour, so let's start with the base coat. The bottom side is done, like the places where I was missing the primer. I started with that, and once it dries, let's say another half an hour, then I'll flip it and paint the rest of it. Now this is the final coat of paint before the clear coat. This is pearl. You mix it with the primer and then do it like regular ones. Now it's the time for the full and final last coat. This is the clear coat. One coat is done and it is already shiny. I will let it dry for some time and then I'll do the second one. So the paint is done and it turned out to be really nice. Because this is my first time, I am happy with it. I can see some anomalies, but still it's good enough. It is shining. I want to paint the rims in a bright red color, and at the same time I don't want the tires to be red, so let's mask them. Here is the seat stand where the seat actually sits. It also connects with the shockers. Next is the headlight, which looks pretty awesome in chrome, but I guess it will look equally awesome in matte black. Here is the bike and the front shocker, so let's begin with the assembly. So I'm building this in my home country, India, which is not where I stay all the time. So that's why last time I worked on this was 6 months ago, and after painting it, like I didn't have enough time, so I wrapped it up in newspaper and just left it like this, which now I realize was a mistake. I'll tell you why later. And the top. The shutters. Wheel is installed, looking pretty nice. The back wheel, I have already installed the brake, so it goes like this, and let's put it on. And the back wheel, I'm pretty proud of the back wheel design because it's very easy to put it in and out, and it's not like the front wheel where you have to do a lot of work. Maybe I could have designed something better for the front wheel, but yeah, the back wheel pretty awesome. So you just slide it in, and there's one washer which holds the axle from rotating, and then you just screw it on. That's it, easy peasy, done. Here is the handle attack. Let's install this. Hello. I'm gonna build something. Now the right side indicator. And the wires are out. Finally they go through this hole, through this pipe, and right here. Now all the wires are through till here. Next morning, let's install the brake cables. I already got a customer for this. Both the indicators are on, now the headlights. And now finally time for the powerhouse. Ta-da! Here it is. It goes bong ba bong ba bong ba bong ba bong bong ba 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 bong. And here goes the battery. The rear mud flap goes here. And the front mud flap goes in here. Just like that. And the horn. Just like that. This one. Other one. The bike is fully ready. Let's take some cinematic shots and then we go for a spin.
Artlist.io.
Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound. Hitting that stuff till you hearing
Music
that sound.
licensing reimagined.
Hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
At this, the bike is in tears because we just broke it while doing the stunts. The headlight is all gone. Oops. But yeah, I can fix it. No worries. The bike is done. So that's a wrap, guys. The biggest video I have ever edited. So yeah, the total cost in this comes out to be 50,000, but honestly it cost me more than that. I would say around 60,000 Indian rupees and let's say 600 US dollars. That's because I wasted a lot of things. I bought a lot of things twice. Let's say the accelerator, it burnt, so I had to buy a new set for 3,500. A lot of extra metals that I bought, some were lying there. So these things I did not add. I gave you a minimum cost. So yeah, that's about it, and see you in the next one. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.